Welcome! In front of me I have Polar Vantage V3 and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the Android phone. First thing you will need to do is to turn on your watch, and you can turn it on by pressing and holding the middle button. Once you see the Polar logo, you can release the button and wait until the watch turns on. Okay, it's still turning on, so let's wait. And after the watch turns on, you may see this list of languages, if your watch is brand new or it's been reset to the factory default settings. If you see it, scroll through the list, find the language you would like to use, and then tap on it to select it. And after you select the language, you will have the option to choose how you want to set up your watch. And you have on your phone, on your computer, and on your watch. We're gonna select on your phone option because we want to pair our watch with a phone. So, but before that, we need to download and install the application on our phone first, because if you tap on your phone, it will enter the pairing mode, and it's gonna stay in it for a couple of seconds, and then it will exit the pairing mode, so you will need to re-enter it anyway. So first let's download the Polar Flow application on our phone. So make sure you have the internet connection and Bluetooth enabled on the phone you want to pair your watch with. Once you do, open the Play Store. In the Play Store, tap on search, type in Polar Flow, and on the list of apps you should see Polar Flow app. Tap on it to select it, tap on the install button, and after the application is done installing, tap on open. In the app, tap on accept, and you will need to log in into a Polar account. If you don't have an account, you can create a new one by tapping on create account. I already have one, so I'm gonna tap on sign in, enter the email address and password. And then tap on sign in. Here we can set up our profile. We can select the gender, the date of birth, height and weight, and then tap on continue. And once you log in, you will see this page if you don't have any devices connected to your account. And this is like a pairing page on the app. If you don't see this page, you can always tap on let's go back to the main page of the app. Come on. Okay, another thing to mention is if you see this pop up about the devices, nearby devices connection and stuff like that, you need to allow this permission for the connection to work. So if you see this pop up at some point, allow the permission. Okay, and like I said before, if you don't see the pairing page at after you log in, basically you can tap on menu, devices, and it will bring you here. And if you have already devices connected to your account, you will have the more options icon in the top right corner, and you can tap on that icon and tap on connect a new device or something like that, and it will bring you to this page. And once you're on this page in the app, you can enter the pairing mode on your watch. So in our case, we need to tap on your phone, and it will enter the pairing mode, and it looks like this. And as you can see, the app automatically detected our watch, and once it does, tap on start, tap on allow, confirm by pressing the button, tap on pair. Here tap on allow or cancel, depending if you want to control music with your watch on your phone. If you want to use this feature, tap on allow. If you don't care, you can tap on cancel rather, not cancer, my bad. And then you can also allow the notification permission, which basically will allow your phone send the notifications to your watch. So if you want to see the notifications on your watch, tap on allow. If you don't care, you can tap on deny. And next we have the basically setup for our watch, and you can select the time format, preferred wrist, language of the watch, and the recommended time sleep. And then we can tap on save and sync. As you can see, we have this message setup complete, and you can tap on view introduction to see the tutorial on how to use the watch. I'm just gonna tap on skip. And at this point, we're gonna wait until the watch is done syncing with our phone and the setup is complete. As you can see, it's done. The watch, we can use it, and it's in our app, which indicates that the watch is connected with our phone. You can also check when it was last synced with our phone and the battery status. Okay, and that's how you pair this watch with the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.